Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm also fine. As you can see, I'm smiling, thank God. So yeah, today's video is how to achieve your own artificial faux afro bun at home. So I just finished making this gorgeous afro attachment right now, and this is what the video is all about: how to create your own faux afro attachment at home using Mali hair, using afro hair, whatever hair you want to use. But in this particular video, I'll be using this hair company Cherish, and I used just one of this pack to achieve this big afro bun that I've just made. And the color is, it looks ox blood, but the color number here, in case you really like the color and you want to buy, is T530. Color T530 is the color that I use, and the name of this attachment is Cherish Afro Kinky Bulk. Like this is how it looks in front. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I made this, I'm just actually carrying it on this chair that I made that I attached it. You can attach it anywhere that is convenient for you, just to create it. So yeah, so I'm done. This is the hair. I'm not going to style it in this video, but if you're interested in knowing how I do style this hair, then I'll upload another video showing you how I do this. But for now, it's entirely on how I created this attachment. So stay tuned and let's get into the video proper. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Like this. I'm just going to fit in my hairband. All I'm trying to do is somewhere to fit in my band, so you can do whatever works for you. The quantity that I want to use, and then I start, hold it like this, see, put it, and then cross the two inside the knot, and then I tie it. So yeah, so this is the finished look of the hair. You can push to get the extra band. You can still cover it, the entire band itself. So it's really nice if your band is strong enough so that it will take time for it to really get weak. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you find this video very interesting, share with your friends, share with your family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.